Thank you, Steph. Also breaking at 5, a small plane has crashed in the middle of East Hartford, Connecticut. Our affiliate WTNH reports the plane went down in front of a Pratt and Whitney facility about an hour and a half ago.
Now, this is video posted on Twitter by an eyewitness who says the plane just missed the building where he worked. WTNH reports one person was brought to the hospital. We do not know that person's condition. We'll continue monitoring this breaking news story, and we'll bring you an update as soon as we learn it.